Okay, we're going to look at motion tracking. This is what we're going to end up with. So some text and a graphic that are going to track a figure in the footage. Okay. Okay, so open After Effects, create a new project, and then if you right click in the project window and import file, navigate to the footage. Okay, once you've imported the footage in, it will, if you remember to tick create composition when you import, and it will automatically create one for you. Go over to the tracker panel on the right hand side. If you can't see it, go to window and tracker. Okay, select track motion. We're going to track the motion if you remember the figure in the video. There's also options to track rotation and scale, but we're just going to stick with position. We're going to set the track point, so you see the track points appeared here. Just going to drag this down to our figure. Just use the zoom in and out where needed. Now you'll see if I place this inner area is called the feature region and the outer area is called the search region. The important bit we need to position is the feature region, and we want contrasting pixels, okay? So it's easy for the software to pick up and recognize. Okay, you can scale these up or down, both regions, but the bigger they are, the more processing power it takes. Okay, now click where it says Analyze in the tracker panel, click play, and it will analyze the motion. Okay, you'll see it's analysed his motion across the scene there. You see the little track motion line there. If it does stray and doesn't track accurately, you can pause it and reposition the track point if needed. Now create a null object. Okay, so if we go down to the layer panel, right click, select new null object. Okay, we're going to use this as a kind of placeholder, and then we can attach things like text or graphics to it. Okay, if we go back over to the tracker panel, click edit target, make sure null is selected, and OK that. And then if we click apply, we want it to track X and Y coordinates, so we OK that. And you'll see now it's attached the null object to the track, the motion line. We can now, I'm going to attach some text and a graphic to it, so if we right click the layer panel, new text, type out our text. Okay, now on the text layer, I'm going to select under parent and link the pick whip, what's called the pick whip here, and drag it to the null layer to create a parent-child relationship between them two, null being the parent, the child being the text layer. You'll now see that the text tracks the figure. We can position the text wherever we want, so I'm going to just reposition that. Okay, I've just repositioned it, and you'll see it tracks him all the way along. I'm now just going to add a background to that, so right click, new and shape layer. Okay, I've created a shape background. I'll drag that shape layer below the text layer, and you see that acts as a background, and then you'll see that that also tracks. Oh, sorry, no, I need to do the parent-child link. So again, with the shape layer, under parent and link, just connect that to the null object. And you'll see now, just need to reposition it a bit so it's aligned with the text, and then you'll see if I move the playhead that tracks the figure. Okay, so we'll do a final test of that, and you'll see now closely tracks our figure across the scene. So you could add more graphics or text to other figures in the scene. Have an experiment with that technique. Okay.